Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In previous videos, we have learned how to create a custom web component library using Angular, and then we learned how to integrate control value accessor to input component so that we can use our input component with reactive or template driven forms. In this video, we'll learn how to publish our library to npm repository or any other private repository and how to maintain its versioning. So without wasting time, let's get started. So this is the project we were working on. So suppose we want to publish this library to npm repository. So we have to do a couple of things. First thing, we'll have to make sure that we are logged into npm or we have an account on npm. If we don't have, then we'll have to create one. And then before publishing, we'll have to be logged into that. So how to check that? We'll hit a command who am I, and it will print our username. If it is printing our username, then we are logged into npm, or else we are not. Next step we'll have to take care of is we'll have to go to our projects folder. So there will be a separate package.json inside the projects folder, and then we'll have to verify the name of our package. So this is the package name with which this library will be published. So we'll have to be 100% sure that this package is a unique package and there is no other package existing with this name. And then we'll have to bump up the version, which is by default 0.0.1. So we are releasing the first version of this library. And then all we have to do is we'll have to hit this command npm publish hyphen hyphen access public, so that we are making this library as a public library. And then we'll hit enter. Okay, it is giving us some error. Let's build it once again. Okay, then we'll navigate to this folder. You can check our content over here, and then we'll again hit that command npm publish. Okay, now our library is published. It was the package name error. So there was already a package with the same name. So then we changed the package name and now it is published. So to test it on the npm repository, we'll go to the npm repository and we can see our newly published package over here. So to test if it is working fine or not, we'll copy the install command, and then we'll go to a sample Angular application. We'll paste this command over here, and it will be added as a package inside our package JSON. And then what we can do is we can go to app module. We can import input module. Okay, we'll have to add the import manually. Okay, we have added the import, and then we'll move to app component.html where we'll add the selector. And then we'll add the label. And then the value. So as we know that we have already integrated control value accessor, so we can use either this template driven approach or we can use the reactive approach also. So we already have a username binded over here. Okay, so our server is running fine and we can see that our component is rendered properly. This is the app input component which is coming from the library which we just published. So that's how we publish our library. And there is one more way. Suppose before publishing a library, we want to test if our library is working fine or not, or if our library code is working fine or not. What we can do is we can create a local TCG file. So how to do that is we can do npm pack. So we are already inside this dist and web components and we want to create a package out of it. So we'll do npm pack. This will generate one tcg file. Then we can copy this tcg file and then we can paste it inside our code base. And then the further steps would be similar. Suppose I want to test whatever the code is there in this new file. So we'll do npm install and then the path of this file, copy the name, and then just like this I'll hit enter, and then it will be added just like this, but it will not be referencing to any version, it will be referring to this file path. So the rest of the things will remain same, but in this case it the code will be coming out of this file, so we can test whatever new code which we have developed before publishing it to Artifactory. So that's all. Hope you like this video. Thank you.